If you want to know how a retailer got 5 times as many leads in one day as she normally does, then you're going to want to watch this episode of the Modern Marketing Show. I am Crystal Vilkaitis, here to teach retailers what they need to know today to stay in business tomorrow. And before I dive into today's case study and success example, if you are a pet retailer and you're going to be at Super Zoo this week, please come by and say hi if you have time to attend one of my 3 sessions. I would love to have you. This will be my 3rd year at Super Zoo. It's always such a great show and I can't wait to go. So I'll be hopping on a plane in a little bit and then I will be there. And then on Friday and Saturday, Pauline and I are going to be in Grand Rapids, Michigan for the Retail Success Summit. I have 2 breakout seminars there, so if you're going to attend that seminar or that conference, please stop by and say hello. We would love to see you. Hi, Stephanie. So today's case study, we have a group that's called Insiders, and it's a membership community that I've had since September of 2012. So almost 6 years. I have retailers in this community that have been with me that entire time. And one thing that's really cool about our insider group is we have a private Facebook group page, and our retailers, they'll ask questions when they need support or, if they get stuck or anything like that. We do Q&As in there. We have all sorts of great stuff that happens in there, but they'll also share their success. And so today is all about Heather Waits with Bloomtastic Flowers. I wonder if I actually have her flower shop where she's located. I'm not sure if I have that in my cheat sheet here. Heather Waits, if you are listening, it's Bloomtastic Flowers. I can't remember where you're located, and maybe somebody on my team could share where she's at. In case you're local, you're definitely going to want to work with Heather. So she shared with us in the Facebook group that she ran a Facebook ad. It was a post-engagement ad. And this is something we teach to all of our insiders. We've got a Facebook ads masterclass in there. So she's taking what she's learning and implementing it. And this is what Heather saw. So she ran an ad for just 1 week, spending $50. And because she's a florist, she was trying to target brides-to-be to do their weddings because they had some availability in their calendar. So her ad was basically like, hey friends, we've got a few select dates available for weddings this fall and we'd love to hear all about your vision for your wedding day. Check out the website and request your free consultation. She had a great picture of one of her employees holding a beautiful bouquet, like in their shop, just super humanized. You can see her employee too, like she's smiling, you see her face, so it's like great content. So she spent $50, right? Her audience was women who just were engaged in the past 12 months and that were 20 miles from her shop. And Heather she normally gets a lead a day for brides, and she saw 5 times that many in one day from this ad. So she had 5 brides reach out to her in one day to schedule their free consultation, all on a $50 ad spend. Heather said if she books 1 of those leads, it will more than pay for her ad spend of $50. So I just thought, we get success emails and they'll post in the Facebook group from our insiders every single week. And so we wanted to share that with you. Often I share these success stories when I'm presenting live on stage, but we wanted to bring it into our episode. And I see that Bloomtastic Florist is located in Columbus, Ohio. That's right, Columbus. So if you are in Columbus or if you know anybody, you want to reach out to them, like their page, follow them on Instagram. Heather is awesome. And so you guys, the key point here is to understand how to use ads, know how to target, be targeted in your marketing. You don't serve everybody. You really need to understand who you're appealing to, and then use great content. Like her picture and her copy is just perfect. It's humanized. It's them. It's an example of the work. I love that they started with, hey friends. It sounds very friendly. and personal, and probably how they talk. So it's very authentic. So, all right. So if you're at Super Zoo, come see me this week. If you're at the Retail Success Summit, come see me this week and take action on what you learn. When you do, you'll see results. Remember that success can be simple, and together we can make it happen. Have a great week, and I will see you next week. We are talking about, it's a time-saving hack to get more done in your day. Pauline swears by this. Pauline's on my team. So you'll learn what that is next week on the Modern Marketing Show every Monday at 10 a.m. Pacific, 1 p.m. Eastern. We'll see you then. Have a great week. Bye-bye.